2,000 years later. A few moments later. Eventually. Meanwhile, much later.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
One eternity later.
1 hour later.
2 hours later. 2 very boring minutes later.